What if I told you two people can earn the same money, but one becomes rich and the other stays broke forever? Sounds crazy, right? But that's exactly what happened in the life of Robert Kiyosaki. And today, I'll tell you the story that can literally change how you think about money. This is not just a book summary. This is a mindset shift. Because Rich Dad, Poor Dad is not about money. It's about how your brain is programmed to think about money. Robert had two fathers. One was his real dad, highly educated government job, stable income, but always struggling with money. The second was his friend's father, not highly educated, but extremely rich. Now here's the twist. Both gave him advice, but their advice was completely opposite. So the question is, who was right? And more importantly, which mindset are you following right now? Lesson 1. Poor Dad said, study hard, get a good job, and you'll be successful. Sounds familiar, but Rich Dad said something shocking. Job is the riskiest thing you can have. Wait, what? Think about it. You work 9 to 5. You get salary, you feel safe, but the moment you stop working, money stops. That's not freedom, that's dependency. So then what do rich people do differently? Lesson 2. This is the most powerful lesson of the book. Rich Dad said, rich people buy assets. Poor people buy liabilities thinking they're assets. An asset puts money in your pocket. A liability takes money out of your pocket. Simple. You buy a car. You think, wow, I made it. But reality, fuel cost, maintenance depreciation. It's draining your money. That's a liability. But what if instead you buy something that pays you every month? Example, like a YouTube channel, a small business stocks rental property. That's an asset. Lesson 3. Poor mindset. I can't afford it. Rich mindset. How can I afford it? See the difference? One stops thinking, the other starts thinking. When Robert was young, Rich Dad didn't give him money. He gave him problems to solve. Why? Because solving problems equals building wealth mindset. So here's a question for you. Are you working for money or learning how money works for you? Lesson 4. Rich Dad said, don't work for money. Make money work for you. Example, if you earn $1,000 and spend $1,000, you're stuck. But if you invest even $100, over time, that money starts generating more money. That's how wealth is built. Lesson 5. Most people don't become rich because of two things: fear and society programming. Fear of losing money, fear of failure, fear of what people will say. So they stay safe and stay average. But here's the truth. Nobody tells you playing safe is actually the biggest risk. Lesson 6. Schools teach you how to work, but not how money works. That's why doctors struggle with money. Engineers struggle. Even highly educated people stay broke. Because income doesn't make you rich. Financial intelligence does. Robert chose to follow Rich Dad's advice. He focused on learning, building assets, taking risks, and eventually, he became financially free. Now the real question is, which path will you choose? If you keep doing what everyone does, you'll get what everyone gets. But if you change your mindset today, your future can completely change. If this opened your mind even a little, hit like and subscribe, because next time I'll show you another idea that can level up your life. Remember, money doesn't make you rich. Your thinking does.